So this is Josh. Strong safety?
Yes, sir.
For Shippensburg, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, and then you've been having 2 years of back pain?
Yeah, I've been dealing with it for a while, so trying to get readjusted.
All right, this is your first adjustment?
Yep.
All right, yeah, go ahead and lay on your stomach when you're ready, all right?
All right.
Check out your alignment.
Take these off.
Yeah. Okay. Get comfortable. Alright, not too bad. 1/4 inch short on the right. And that usually is triggered by a pelvic imbalance. Is it tender at all when I press here?
A little bit.
A little bit. How about when I do the same on the right?
Not as much.
Yeah, that left side feels a little restricted. And how about I just push on these muscles? Is it painful at all?
No.
Does it feel good? I'm gonna put a little pressure down right here, okay?
Yeah.
So breathe in, breathe out, let it relax. Good. That sound you hear is totally normal.
I've been waiting for that one.
Yeah. All right, lay on your back for me, face up. So before I do your lower back, I just want to check something. Good. Is that painful at all? No. How about this one? Good. So what does a strong safety do?
So first, we're the QB of the defense. Make a lot of the calls. We're like the last line of defense. So, gotta make sure everything gets ran. Nothing goes past.
Is that like Ray Lewis?
In a way, just a different position. Oh shit.
Alright, yeah, let's do this left side first. So turn towards me. You okay if I twist you, right?
Yeah.
It's like the Heisman. Alright, push around. So when I push like this, just try to breathe all your air out and just let it go. Okay, so breathe in, breathe out. Oh yeah, that's good. Other side.
Yeah, I needed that one.
Bend this leg. Take a deep breath in again. Bend this elbow. Breathe out. Oh yeah. Alright, lay on your back. Face up. Neck trauma. I mean,
I've actually had like nerve damage on my left side before.
But it's not bothering you right now, or is it?
No. This was like 4 years ago.
You feel a spot right here on the left.
A little tender, right?
Is that tender there?
Yeah.
When I push down, does it bother your neck?
No.
How about when I pull straight up?
Nah.
When I push down here? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I mean, I could definitely adjust C2 here. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, so let your head tilt all the way over. Here, love the top. And I'm going to do the other side. It'll be a little easier. Let it relax. Yeah, super easy. Alright, yeah, come on up. Let's see how you feel.
I feel good.
How's your back feel? Looser? Lighter?
Yeah.
Feeling different?
I mean, them back cracks definitely was helping.
Yeah. Let's do one more. So sit here with your legs this way. Let me do an anterior.
So like this way.
How do I just sit up? Yeah, like that. Just like that. You got it. And give yourself a hug. Take a deep breath in. And roll all the way back. And breathe out. Breathe out. That's good. Alright. Yeah, come on up.